reason why I'm so excited is because I'm going from the iPhone XS to this iPhone 12. Before that, I had the Samsung S9. I know, put me in a dungeon, sorry. I'm back from the dark side, back to Apple, which I'm really excited about. Now, before I had the iPhone 12, I had the iPhone XS and I dropped it. Let me just show you what's underneath this pink strip. Ta-da! I bought the iPhone 12 for £850, and not only am I unboxing the iPhone 12, but I also have some cool accessories that I'm going to be trying out, making sure this doesn't happen to this. So the iPhone 12 is 128 gigabytes. Fine. As you can see, the box is significantly smaller than normal iPhones, and that's because iPhone has decided this year to not give you any of the accessories that you need. So let's open it up. Ooh.
Apple is really doing its bit for the environment. Instead of plastic, it's got paper. That's fine. It comes with a USB-C cable, but no charger. I know, criminal. Pin for the SIM card, and nothing else. I actually had to buy another charger. At this point, Apple just take all my money. Yay, a sticker! As you can see, it's very different from my iPhone XS. The square edges versus the round edges, and it's a lot bigger. It's a lovely blue shade. I really wanted to protect it, so I've got a tempered glass screen protector. Links in the description. Here's me getting the screen protector on. If this isn't satisfying, then I don't know what is. Protecting my phone is so important, so I got the mouse case. It has been drop tested from cranes and off bridges. The case is super slim but really protective. It has a lifetime warranty. I also got a pop socket to put at the back of my phone so I could hold the phone and take photos. I played around with the positioning on the phone so it wasn't too high or too low, and I didn't really mind that it covered the Apple logo. I rest it on the pop socket so I can watch my movies on Netflix.
I bought this phone for £850, 128 gigabytes. There's £50 difference between 64 gigabytes and 128, and about £100 between 128 and 256. You save about £300 to £200 if you buy the phone outright. I've looked at some of the deals on Car Phone Warehouse and it works out to be £300 extra. Make the investment, buy the phone outright, because I'll save money in the long run. It has a ceramic shield on the glass. It's the strongest smartphone out there apparently. It has a great edge-to-edge screen. The ceramic glass at the back is supposed to be super strong. It's like a royal blue. It looks quite different to what it looks like on the website, and I've seen the red color actually looks peach when you actually get it. I was gonna get the iPhone mini because it's cheaper, but actually really glad I got the iPhone 12 because I like how it feels in my hand. I think with a smaller screen you would struggle because it's glass and not matte. You can see my fingerprints already, but it's fine. I've got a case for it. So they brought back the squared edges back from iPhone 4 back in the day, and this is better for those who are clumsy prone. As you can see, I'm pretty clumsy prone, so this is supposed to be more drop proof resistant, which is what we need. But let's go ahead and start setting up this phone. It's come up with this screen asking me if I want to transfer. So cool. So I'm going to unlock to continue. So it's asked me to put my new phone up to the camera. So now it's asked me to put my old passcode into this phone, which I'm going to do. So let's leave that to transfer. So it's great that I was able to just basically transfer my old phone to my new phone. I love the blue color. I think it looks really, really nice. And it feels really light, which is really important for me. I thought blue was the best color. And as you can see from my lights, blue is one of my favorite colors. Hey Siri, send a message. I am super happy with the phone and all of my accessories. It's gonna make my life so much easier. This is a massive upgrade from iPhone XS, so I couldn't be more happier. If you really like hauls and unboxings, do check out my hauls and unboxing videos coming up next.